Installation of the IM2s from Norwix has saved Pak Solutions over $300,000 in consumables, maintenance, and downtime costs in the first year alone. This innovative UV Curable piezo-based printer has changed the way they serve their customers and make money. With a rapid return on investment and very real savings in downtime, maintenance, and consumables cost, the IM2 has been a lifeline in Pak Solutions' plans for improved productivity and company growth.
My name's John Gilbert. I'm the production manager here at Pak Solutions. I'm responsible for all aspects of the production of packaging here at Pak Solutions. Well, the key focus for the company in the coming years is to grow. We want to become the premier flexible packaging company in the United States. And so what we're trying to do is continually innovate and find the most modern technology so that we can become more efficient in producing multiple different types of bags for our customers.
The IM2 is a high-speed, lower-cost coating solution with a much smaller footprint than any other printing and marking technology. Featuring an incredibly simple and highly reliable ink delivery system and a fast startup measured in minutes, it has significant benefits day in, day out. Capable of printing at speeds in excess of 1,200 feet per minute, with print resolutions up to 600 dpi, it's simply the best way forward for companies that require quality, productivity, and capability. The IM2 is perfectly suited for a wide variety of packaging applications, like those at Pak Solutions, where consistency, reliability, and coding of very high-quality barcodes and text is needed. Previously, the company had invested in Domino BitJets to help them with their matched barcoding on security bags. With expensive maintenance, long startup times, and poor reliability, they simply didn't meet their business needs.
Hi, my name is Ron Demaris. I'm currently the project manager here at Pak Solutions. The downtime for Domino's were probably 20 to 30% a day sometimes. The downtime for the new printings, the IM2 systems, almost negligible. The operator turns the units on, wipes them down, puts it down, ready to run. There's no wait time, whereas back in the day with the Domino's, it took 30 to 40 minutes just to get them fired up in the morning.
Integration was a breeze. 3 IM2s per line, together with their curing heads, were simply attached to their production machinery, quickly and efficiently. Productivity's up, downtime's almost at zero, and Pak Solutions can concentrate on making their product and servicing their customers. For more information, go to www.norwix.com/IM2.